Okay, we're going to go ahead and do a couple of these problems, making sure we know what's happening with solving by substitution. I know today may have been a little rough, but hopefully you realize this part here, all of this equals y. So when I go ahead and use the second problem, I'm going to plug this in wherever I see the letter y right here. I'm going to plug in 2x plus 3 for y. So I'm going to rewrite the problem. 2x plus 2 here, then 2x plus 3 equals 12. So again, all I did was cross out y. I substituted it for y. I replaced it for y. Go do the math. I get 4x plus 6 6x plus 6, and then x equals 1. If x equals 1, I'm going to take this x and plug it right back in 4x here. This 1 equals x. I'm going to cross out x and put a 1. We multiply. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 3 is 5. Again, we took the 1, replaced it with the x, and we get 2 times 1 plus a 3. Okay? Let's do number 4. Where am I going to put this? What does all this equal? It equals y, so wherever I see y, right here, I'm going to put 5x plus 4. Now this is a little different. 5x plus 4 equals 6x plus 2. I go letters to the left, or negative 1x. Then I subtract 4. I get 2, so I have negative 1x equals negative 2. Divide negative 1. X equals positive 2. If I take the 2 and I plug it in for x, 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So again, we plugged it back in. All right. Let's look at this. This one's not too tough. I want you to put this in for x, because this all equals x. So cross that out and put that there. This one's a little confusing. This is 5 for y. So wherever you see y, you're going to put a 5. So replace that right there and do that. 3x plus 2 times 5 equals 13. X equals 3. X equals 1. What does y equal, Marusik? Well, guess what y equals? They already gave you that part of the problem. And sometimes they'll do that. So your answer is actually already done. All right, guys. I know it's tough. Do the best you can. Tomorrow we're going to rock it even more. We'll be fine. Don't worry.